Are you still using Excel spreadsheets for property management? In today's digital age, that really is unacceptable. You need accounting software, and I'm here to help you choose the right one for you. I'm going to be breaking this into two sections: general accounting software and dedicated property accounting software. If you don't know what I mean by general accounting software, simply put, it's designed for anyone, not strictly property management. Everyone needs to manage their balance sheet and track the in and out. Everyone needs to be able to run accounting reports, but only property management needs to separate their property accounting with their business accounting or add properties in addition to tenants. These are challenges unique to property management and the types of things general accounting software typically isn't designed to do. With that said, given that they're dedicated accounting options, they tend to have the deepest set of accounting features. So let's look at our top 4 picks. First is QuickBooks. QuickBooks is the go-to accounting software for the modern world, but I assume I don't need to tell you that. It has every accounting feature you could need and then some, and everything you need to grow with you as your portfolio grows. Well, except for an understanding of how property accounting works. The problem with QuickBooks isn't a lack of features, it's that some of those features aren't designed with property accounting in mind. That creates a headache for landlords and property managers trying to use QuickBooks as their only accounting solution. Plus, it's important to note that QuickBooks also doesn't offer any of the other property management features that a property management software comes with. Still, there are some workarounds you can use to overcome what we just talked about, and for some, especially larger portfolios, QuickBooks may be necessary for certain large-scale accounting features, and some of their features include expense tracking by class and location, comprehensive reporting tools, bill pay and management, and automatic monthly payments if you integrate with QuickBooks Payments. The QuickBooks Simple Start Plan comes in at $25 per month with a caveat. To get several key features you'll likely want and need, such as bill pay, you'll want to upgrade to the advanced plan at $150 per month, making QuickBooks Online pricey compared to many dedicated property accounting options. But all plans do come with a 30-day free trial. Our second option is Quicken. Like QuickBooks, Quicken is a dedicated accounting software with a good number of features such as tracking profit and loss by property. It's not as robust as QuickBooks, however, and it is more designed for personal accounting. Likewise, it's ideal for landlords with only a couple of properties. Still, if you have a small portfolio and need a simple solution that also allows you to handle your personal accounting simultaneously, it's an affordable option. Some of their features include expense tracking, basic reporting, rental agreements, and personal accounting tools. Quicken's pricing. Quicken's starter plan is $35.99 per year, though that won't get you the property management features you need. For that, you'll need to pick up at the Home and Business Edition. That comes in at $103.99 annually and is offered for Windows only. And our third option is Wave. Wave is another dedicated accounting tool worth mentioning, particularly for those looking for a free or low-cost option. You'll need to make sacrifices as you won't be able to get certain premium features such as reporting by property you'd get from other options. But you get a decent list of features for a low price. Some of their features include online rent payments if you use their Connect Wave payment service, multiple payment methods such as credit card and ACH, and invoice and invoice tracking. Wave's pricing. Wave does offer a 100% free plan with no strings attached. You have limited features, but it's a great start if you have a small portfolio or a limited budget and just need something to get started. And our last option for this section, TenantCloud. TenantCloud offers fewer and less robust features than most dedicated tools on this list. However, it makes up for it with the most affordable pricing plan. It also offers a 100% free plan. Some of their features include financial reporting, insurance reminders, maintenance request management, vendor payments, and it is cloud-based. Let's talk about their pricing. The basic plan is 100% free with up to 75 units. While lacking in many areas, it offers several useful features such as maintenance request management, online rent payments, and some basic accounting tools. Their most basic standard pay tier ups the threshold to 150 units and then includes things like e-signature and unlimited notice templates, among some other features. And the advanced plan covers up to 500 units and includes administrative accounts and premium customer support, though not necessarily in real time. So now let's talk about the best dedicated property accounting software options. Property accounting software often has fewer features than general accounting software, however that's by design. It's not intended to help with every business with every accounting need. Instead, it's designed to help property managers, landlords, and investors manage their property accounting with custom features designed specifically for property accounting. Still, you might prefer or need a more robust accounting solution depending on your situation. And when that's the case, a QuickBooks integration becomes key. Fortunately, while that's rare among dedicated property accounting software, our first option does include that. So that being said, our first option on this list is DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management software with everything you need to manage your property accounting. Now, I am biased because I work at DoorLoop, but I do think you're gonna love us. You not only get a full suite of property accounting features, you get a complete set of property management features to help make managing your property simpler and easier. Plus, a rarity among property management software, as I said, DoorLoop offers a convenient QuickBooks online integration that's incredibly easy to set up. It literally just takes minutes. DoorLoop uses Plaid to sync with your bank account, automatically importing your income and expenses. Then it automatically categorizes everything within DoorLoop. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Some of DoorLoop's features include automatic bank account, syncing with Plaid, convenient QuickBooks online integration, full chart of accounts, bill pay and tracking, a tenant portal that offers online rent payments, payment history, and a simple way to communicate with your tenants on maintenance requests. There's an owner portal that allows you to run key reports and print checks, and so many more features. So what's DoorLoop's pricing? DoorLoop starts at $49 per month for up to 20 units. And you can schedule a free demo of DoorLoop to see what it can do for you by clicking up here or with the link down in the description. Our second option on this list is Appfolio. Appfolio has a large set of accounting features, including small bill entry, automated late fees, and good reporting tools. If you have a large portfolio and you don't need QuickBooks, it could be a good option for you. However, it's definitely on the pricier end if you have less than around 200 properties. Plus, it doesn't offer a QuickBooks online integration, which really holds back its potential as an effective property accounting tool. Some of their features include automatic rent payments, smart bill entry, automated late fees, and security deposit account holding. So what's Appfolio's pricing? Well, Appfolio uses a per unit per month pricing model. It's between 80 cents and $1.50 per unit depending on the type of property. However, they get pricey when you factor in their $250 monthly minimum. So that means if you have less than 250 properties, you're overpaying for the same features you would get from other options for less. Our third option is RentRoom. RentRoom is a complete property management tool geared towards rental properties. The software is easy to use and has a convenient cash reconciliation function and other unique community features. The only downside is that RentRoom's reporting feature isn't great, and this is a crucial feature for basic accounting, thus larger property management businesses will have a hard time using RentRoom. But some of their features include work order management, including tenant maintenance requests from right within the software, online rent collection, including reminders, a tenant portal, and basic accounting features such as cash reconciliation through limited reporting. As far as their pricing, they don't have it listed publicly, so you'll just have to contact them. But they do have a free trial to try out the software before being asked to pay. So now that you have some good options, let me answer a few common questions. First question, is QuickBooks good for landlords? QuickBooks is a great starter accounting solution for landlords as it provides you both all the basic accounting features you need as well as a number of advanced features. If you have just a few properties and you're mainly in need of an accounting solution, QuickBooks is a great starting point that you can grow into. However, because QuickBooks isn't designed for property accounting, you'll encounter a number of problematic limitations that require workarounds. For example, there's no way in QuickBooks to add units and tenants as separate classes. Instead, you'll need to add properties as customers and your units and tenants as sub-customers under the property customer. And if that sounds a bit confusing and inconvenient, it is. However, there are workarounds that allow you to make it work. Still, you might find a dedicated property accounting solution a better match. Next question, how is property management software different from general accounting software like QuickBooks? So QuickBooks is designed to handle every accounting need from a small store to a large corporation. And for that reason, it has a lot of powerful accounting features. However, that also means it doesn't specialize in any one thing. Property accounting is a particular sore point because of its unique structure. While most businesses have customers and property management and rentals, you have accounting needs for the property and the tenant. That leads to the need for some frustrating workarounds. You can also use workarounds to solve the main issue with QuickBooks in particular, but it's not ideal. With property accounting software, you have these types of features baked in, such as the ability to create properties and tenants, and reporting that accurately separates and reflects everything. Plus, most property accounting software offers other valuable property management features, such as a tenant portal and rent collection features, maintenance management, marketing and leasing tools, and the list goes on. Next question, which accounting software is best for property management? Well, DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management software that is made by property managers for property managers and property management companies. Since the entire software is made by a development team full of real estate professionals, it is sure to meet all the needs of your business, making it the most popular and user-friendly property management software in the market. Now, ultimately, it's up to you and what will work best for you and your needs. So whether you choose DoorLoop or another option, I just hope that this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more property management content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!